The day I promised you, I said I'll stand with you in crisis and in wealth. I'm forever with you all my life, to love and cherish till death do us part. Faithfulness I pledge unto you. I swear the rest of my life and be loyal to you. The future is bright as promised by God. To be forever grateful I will be. As you head our home, I look to you. Your arms embrace little ones. Your smile and kisses warm the day, and you comfort me in the night. In happiness and pain, our love will still be strong. I love you. You love me too. I swear to you, you promised to. Till death do us part, I'm forever be in love with you. There are times we have struggles to fight. Cloud is covering our precious days sometimes, but the promises will still remain. After darkness, sun will rise and shine above. There may be rough roads and trials in our lives. We must brave enough to the challenges we face. Hand in hand we'll work it out. God is there, always be our guide forever.